You ready for another one-pan meal? Well, I'm gonna show you how to make mac and cheese with sausage and peppers. Let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let's do a quick roll call, not many guys, so let's start back here with our pasta. We have about 8 ounces of pasta. We have a pound of sausage right here. We have 2 bell peppers, chopped red bell peppers. We have 1/3 of a cup of mozzarella cheese. Right here, we have 1/3 of a cup of half and half. And right here in these 2 dishes right here, we have pork broth. There's 2 1/4 cups of pork broth. If you don't have that, you can use water. And right here we have 18 ounces of marinara sauce. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna start off with browning our sausage. Now I'm using some hot Italian sausage. You can use the mild kind if you want. So we're gonna get our cooktop on. We're gonna bring that up to temperature. And we're just gonna cook our sausage until they're brown. And while they're cooking, we're gonna crumble them up. All right, guys, so it looks like we're there. What we're gonna do now is we're going to pause our heat. And now what we're gonna do is now drain off the fat, and we're gonna bring this right back over to the cooktop, all right? All right, so now we're back at the cooktop. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna unpause our heat, and we're gonna add our diced red bell peppers, macaroni, elbow macaroni, our marinara sauce, and either your broth or your water. And we're gonna get this stirred in here, just like this. And guys, when I made that spaghetti, taco spaghetti, people were saying, why did you cook the pasta inside with the meat? I don't understand what's so weird about that. I mean, you make a lot of dishes like that. Yeah, you could cook it separate, but it doesn't make it one pot then. But there's nothing wrong with adding your pasta into a dish with the rest of your food. That was just weird that I got many comments of people saying, well, not many, but some. Enough for me to acknowledge it. I thought it was just kind of weird. So we're gonna bring this up to boil. Guys, you let me know if that's weird or not, but it's not weird to me. I didn't see anything wrong with it. I mean, even when you make hamburger helper, I mean, you do the same thing. I just don't understand what was so weird about that. I mean, when I make hamburger helper, I don't boil the elbow macaroni in a separate pot. You put it all in one thing. So that was just weird. I don't know why people thought that was just so wrong. But I'll just say this, guys, recipes are just guidelines. You know, you add, take away, whatever you want to do to make it, you know, to your desire, to your liking. You know, when people say, oh, you put too much salt or you didn't. No, I didn't. I put enough salt that I wanted. If you don't want to put that much salt, or if you don't want to put that much sauce, or you don't want to put that much pepper, or you shouldn't have done that, hey, do it the way you want to do it. You know, cooking is a art, not a science. You can cook however you want to cook. So, and I typically cook the way I want my food to taste. So, and everybody should do the same thing. So, you know, think about, it's just an art. All right, so now that we're at a boil, we're gonna reduce our heat to simmer, a low simmer. We're gonna cover this baby up, and we're gonna cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes until your pasta is tender, but you wanna make sure you're stirring it occasionally during that time so your pasta doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, all right? All right, so we are 20 minutes in. Let's look at what we have. Man, of course, this looks delicious. So what we're gonna do now, give it a nice stir first. We're gonna add our half and half. And we're gonna sprinkle it with our mozzarella. We're gonna get that a quick mix. And now we're just gonna turn our heat off. We're gonna cover this up, and we're gonna allow that cheese to continue melting or finish melting. About 2 minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, so now we are 2 minutes in. The cheese has melted. Guys, take a look at that. And just to top it off, we're going to add some green onions. You know, we gotta give that thing a little color to it, along with those red bell peppers, add that green to it just to make it look even better. It makes it pop out. Guys, take a look at that right there. And there you have it, guys. Skillet mac and cheese with sausage and bell peppers. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. We left the ingredients all in the video description below. We're gonna go ahead and get into quality control because I wanna see what this baby tastes like. All right, let's go. All right, so we are back in here for quality control. I just put me some on a plate right here. A little plate, just a little something, something. So we can go ahead and test it out. So let's go ahead and taste, a little quick taste test. It's cheesy, I love it when it's cheesy. Yeah. Oh man, this is on the money. This is delicious. And it doesn't taste anything like the, you know, some people say, oh, that's like chili mac and cheese. Nope. I like chili mac and cheese. The sausage flavor in this is awesome. You notice I can't stop eating this. I can't even talk. It's that good. So, till the end, you already know who I am. You know this is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.